What's it called? Fancy Feathers Exotic Birds. It's pretty, isn't it? Look at that tree. See it? How did they do that? That's pretty amazing. Look at the birdcage. They got bamboo back there too, see it? And I wonder how old that tree is. See the tree?
And Dad said he saw the biggest tree in the world.
Yeah, you know what? I think you're right. Not in the world, but the biggest tree in our area, which is pretty...
The biggest tree in the world has a name.
What is it? It's like protected and stuff. Where?
No, they made a tunnel through it.
Yeah. Did you see where it's coming? Yeah, no. Where did you can drive through it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see where it's at? Yeah, right there. I want to go. Come here, just real quick. Come here.
No.
I want to go see how big that tree is up close.
You can. I'll stay here.
All right. Can you record it so you can
Can
see?
I start the car?
Yeah, you can see me next to it. Hold on, I'm just gonna pull up a little bit. What, the humming? The muffler's broke. Daddy said the muffler is broke. Alright, ready? Here. Just record me next to the tree so we can see how big it really is.
Okay, I am. She is tiny compared to that tree. It's huge! Where is she going? Oh, she's just walking back. Come on, Mom!
It's dying, I think. That tree. I want to see you next to it. I'm gonna have to watch that video and see how I look tiny next to it.
It's different when you hugged it.
Then I looked big. Just because you don't like me to hug trees. Right?
It's a zero cat tail.
No way!
It's a no cat tail.
Shut the front door. Tyler, he has no tail. Put your window down. I gotta see his tail. Is he a Manx or is he missing his tail?
Missing.
Oh my gosh. What's his name?
I don't know. You see a random cat and you just ask for it. Hey, cat, what's your name?
What's its name? Like I expect you to know. He's cute.
You expect me to know everything.
Look at him.
Find a random girl on TikTok, send me a video, and you're like, who's that?
Hi, Meow Meow. Meow Meow. Meow Meow. Listen, look at him. He's looking at us. You see him? Look at him. He's right there.
It's backwards. How
Look
am I supposed to
back.
see
Look back. See him?
You ain't looking at us?
Meow Meow. Yeah, look. He looked at me like 5 times. Oh, he's so
Leave him
cute.
alone.
He has no
Turn my music
tail.
on.
What?
Turn my music on.
All right, go ahead. Oh, he is cute. Bye, bird store. We tried. Where should we go?
Oh, I know that's it.
Mm.
Here, what? Let me see your phone.
And we're
Yeah, drive
recording
my hand.
still. Which way should I go? Choose.
I don't know.
Left or right? Just choose.
Left. I know that just looked at me, and I didn't want it to. Okay. I like to see, you know that line in the middle of your screen? I like to see how straight I can get it, because I can get it pretty straight.
It's good.
Look.
Oh, yeah. I don't even pay attention to that. That's a shame.
I get spot on most of the time.
Oh my gosh, I wonder if that... I would like to take that one day and see. That probably goes faster that way.
Go straight.
No, I'm not going straight. I have to go.
Where are we going?
I have to make a right here. I have to. Because I won't have enough gas to get home if we go straight. Or,
Cool.
this is the way home. You don't even know that, do you?
Nope.
Look over there. That's the VFW. See it?
Wow.
See the cannon? The army cannon in front of it? Army gun? Actually, it's the American Legion, but it's called the VFW.
Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Whoa.
Better not do that again. Look, there's the garden center. We should go there. VJ's Garden Center.
Nah, we're good. Keep going.
Alright. Well, let's just pick a different place to stop. If you see anything interesting. That's what we're doing because it's girls' night. CJ took
It's
Tyler,
girls'
Devin.
night?
Yes.
You have money for bowling. Can we go bowling?
No. He said you have
Jeep
Kayla.
truck.
He said you have Kayla for the night. Just you and her have Kayla time. I said okay. Look at that old house.
Ooh, look at
How old do you think that house is?
I don't know. Look at that cool car.
Mm-hmm. Kayla, that house
I
is
just
old.
wanna make you happy, baby.
See all the windows? Look at it. Imagine being in there. How many windows? There's a window
I don't know.
every like 3 feet in the whole place.
I don't know. I don't know. It just
Doesn't it look like a haunted
Oh my
place?
God.
It looks haunted.
yeah, cause the little candles in the windows.
That's a nice house.
The address, I'm pretty sure was 123.
That's an old church right there. That's very old. See, now that stuff, that's old house too. Look how old that is. Just tell her old. That one's not. That's
I
a cool,
really-
That's a dog park.
I just wanna like sit in here, but it
Oh my
won't.
gosh, did you see that?
Stay. It won't.
I think I'm turning around.
Mom, your phone won't stay.